welcome back. So I'm doing my first recipe for my 2020 recipe challenge, wherein I'm planning to do 20 recipes before the year ends. So it kind of like goes with the years all 2020 and 20 recipes. So I wanted to try different cuisines from all over the world. So for my first recipe, because I do love my Brazilian friends, I am doing a Brazilian dish which is called moqueca. I'm hoping I actually pronounce it correct. I'm guessing it's moqueca. And normally I would go for their national dish, which is feijoada, but the problem with that is it uses pork. I think most of it, like sausage pork. I reviewed it, and I just don't eat meat, so I can't really do a dish wherein I can't taste it, so it's really difficult. And I don't think it would be good to do a vegetarian option. I'm pretty sure someone already did that, but the thing is, like, I wanted something that I could also eat, you know. So I opted for moqueca because it's like a fish stew, and we do have that similar kind of cuisine in the Philippines as well. And for this recipe, I'm using cod and also shrimps. So because those are my favorite seafood, actually salmon, but I can't use salmon here because it's a distinct and it has to be a firm white fish. And for this recipe, it is quite essential to use palm oil. But I did not use that because it's really bad for the environment. So I didn't want to opt that. And I think it's not really such a big deal if you don't put it, but maybe it does make a difference. But I like how my dish turned out to be, and I'm gonna wait. Maybe my friends could also try it. And I loved it. I did send a photo of it to my friend and ask whether her boyfriend, who's Brazilian, could recognize what dish I made. And it did not work out. He did not recognize it at all. So I'm like, oh, maybe there's something wrong with the color or something. So, but yeah, the taste is really good. It has like the lime juice in it and the spice and coconut milk. So it's like a lot of my taste bud, it's tasting a lot of things there, a mix of flavor, and I'm like, this is the first time I actually had that kind of combination, and it was really good. So what are we waiting for? I'm gonna show you how I actually did the moqueca. Bye. So I'm using here 200 grams of shrimps and 400 grams of codfish. Instead of chopped tomatoes, I'm using 400 grams of peeled tomatoes and 400 ml of coconut milk, of course, salt and pepper and lime. As for my spices and the rest of the ingredients, I have here a bunch of coriander. This is normally 200 grams. And 3 small jalapeno peppers. I'm using 3 garlic cloves, but 2 for the cooking and 1 for the marinade with the fish and shrimps. And I have 1 medium-sized white onion and 3 bell peppers, 2 red and 1 yellow I'm using. As for the spices, of course, this dried chili pepper is optional because that's a very strong one, but I really like it to be spicy. So here I'm using cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of cumin and paprika. And of course, tomato paste to actually add more flavor when all of this is mixed.